In this section, we are going to talk about the equation of a circle and graphing circles. The standard form of the equation for a circle with the radius r with center hk is in the form of the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared equals r squared. For the example, find the standard form of the equation for the circle with the following properties. Part A, the center is the order pair 9, -3 and the radius 7. Let's make a note here. The center in the form of h, k and the radius is r. Therefore, we have the h as 9 and k as -3, r as 7. The standard form is in the form of the x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where h is 9, so it's going to be x minus 9 squared, and the k is -3, going to be y minus -3 squared equals the r, which is 7, going to be 7 squared. Therefore, the form of the equation will be as x minus 9 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 49. For part B, the center is -6, 2. The radius is √3. That means the h value is -6, the k value is +2, the r is √3. In the standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared will be as x minus -6 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared equals √3 quantity squared. And then we write it in the standard form as x plus 6 quantity squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 3. Next example, we consider the following equations of a circle. We're going to find the center hk and the radius r based on the standard form of the circle. It's in the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So we're going to imitate the form and then identify h, k, and r to answer the question. For part A, x minus 5 squared is already in the form of x minus the number squared. The second term as y plus 1 squared, we can write it as y minus the number -1 squared equals the number on the right hand side as we see it as the square of the number 4/5. So right now we have the standard form, and then we're gonna pull out the numbers for h, k, and r. In this case, we have h equals 5, the k equals -1, and the r equals 4/5. Therefore, the center for this circle in the form of hk will be 5, -1, and the radius, which is the value of the r, is 4/5. For part B, x plus 2 quantity squared, so we will write it as x minus the number -2 quantity squared plus y minus the number 1/6 squared equals the number on the right hand side, write it as the power 2 of the number, which is the power 2 of √5. So then we get the value h as -2, the k as 1/6, and the r as √5. And then summarizes as the center for this circle in the form of hk, or the order pair hk is -2, 1/6, and the radius, which is the value of the r, is √5.